Hello everyone and welcome to our new video, where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming desks in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these gaming desks, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Walker Edison Sereno 3. The Walker Edison Sereno 3 would be a great option if you are looking for a spacious and durable desk that will let you place everything conveniently on your side in order to enjoy your gaming sessions. From a design perspective, the Sereno measures 51 inches in width, 29 inches in height, 20 inches in length and weighs around 57 pounds. This desk features an L-shaped design that is accompanied by a thick tempered safety black glass and strengthened by durable steel, so you can safely place your PC and gaming gadgets on it. What I really like about this desk is its shape, which makes it space efficient, so you can place it in your room without any problem, even if your room isn't that large. The Sereno is also really flexible, and you can notice this especially with its sliding keyboard tray, which can be positioned on either side, making the whole desk suitable for any corner of your room. However, there isn't any cable management included, but you shouldn't be really surprised since this desk is extremely affordable and for the price it has, this is reasonable. In addition, at the bottom there is a universal autonomous stand for your PC case, so you can save more space on the surface for placing plenty of your gadgets and accessories. The only remark I have about this desk is that it attracts dust, so you should clean it more often. But this isn't a huge problem, since most of the desks deal with this so-called issue. I also want to mention that you won't waste much time on assembling, because this desk comes with a really intuitive step-by-step instruction book which makes everything very easy. Overall, you should definitely take this desk into consideration because of its large space and attractive looks, which makes it suitable for any room. Next up, at number 4 we have the Atlantic Gaming Desk. The Atlantic Gaming Desk is a feature-rich gaming desk that will significantly improve your room organization because of its ability to keep plenty of accessories and peripherals in one place. From a design perspective, this gaming desk measures 14.25 inches in height, 26 inches in width, 49.25 inches in length and weighs around 43 pounds when it is fully assembled. The design is composed of a silver metallic steel and a carbon fiber finish on the top, which makes it suitable for every decor. In addition, it has 4 adjustable leveling feet, which offer a high level of stability, so it won't shake during your movements. You can easily place up to 2 controllers, a 32-inch monitor or TV that weighs up to 40 pounds, as well as a charging station and power strip holder for ensuring that your smart devices are going to be fully charged. On this desk, there is also space for a cold beverage, so you can have a more comfortable gaming session while feeling refreshed. What I really like the most about this desk are the included wire management trim plates, which will help you be more organized and have your desk surface always tidy. I also want to mention that regardless if you're a console or PC gamer, there is enough space for storing up to 5 games, 2 controllers, 2 speakers and a pair of headphones on it, which makes it a very good and spacious desk. You shouldn't even worry about its quality in the following years, because this desk is made of durable material, which will ensure long years of usage without any problems. To conclude, if you're looking for a gaming desk that has enough space for housing plenty of gaming equipment while keeping you more organized, then this gaming desk would be a really good option for you, and I definitely recommend it to everyone that is looking for a durable, long-lasting desk. Moving on at number 3, we have the Arosi Arena Gaming Desk. The Arosi Arena Gaming Desk is an aggressive-looking desk which is geared towards esports fanatics and serious gamers who want to have a real battle station. From a design perspective, the Arena comes in 6 colors, but each of them is unique and looks incredibly good. In addition, this gaming desk measures 63 inches in width, 32 inches in length and 27.9 inches in height, but you can extend it up to 31.9 inches, which is extremely good. What had instantly caught my attention is its 14 square foot surface, which features a microfiber cloth that is water resistant and a non-slip underside that will ensure a high level of safety during your movements. There are 3 cutouts positioned at the desk and at the mousepad surface, so you can put everything in one place and have a clean and tidy cable management. I also want to mention that the height adjustment process is extremely easy, because all you have to do is just loosen the screws, find your ideal height and then tighten them back. During this process, the whole desk will stay stable and you won't have to worry about anything. Since a gaming desk looks better without shelves, the Arena doesn't include any shelves at all, but instead it was designed to keep all of your accessories by your side, which makes it look really aesthetically good. This means that you can even set up triple screens, a PC case, mouse, keyboard and speakers all together and still have enough space for maneuvering. Before we end, I want to inform you that the Arena is grommet mount ready, so you can use its cutouts for installing monitor arms and have an Unreal battle station. Overall, the Arena would definitely be a good option if you're looking for an affordable and quality gaming desk which will increase your gaming experience like never before. Next up, at number 2, we have the DXRacer gaming desk. The DXRacer is not only known for producing quality gaming chairs, but also for their gaming desks, which gamers are always searching for. From a design perspective, the DXRacer gaming desk comes in 3 colors, but they all have one thing in common, and that is quality, large space and an extraordinary wire management support. The desk measures 31.5 inches in width and height, 47 inches in length and is composed of high-quality ABS wooden desk board and a steel wrought frame. With such surface size, you can easily place one huge monitor or pair 2 medium-sized monitors along with your mouse, keyboard, speakers and have enough space for making movements. In addition, thanks to the 10-degree slope, which provides an ergonomic angle, you can rest your forearm comfortably and not deal with fatigue after a longer period of gaming. This model also has 4 cutouts, which will really help you to be more organized and have a better cable management, so your gaming station will be really tidy and good looking. What I really like about this desk are its trapezoid feet, which offer a huge amount of stability and security in form of preventing scratches on your floor. You can easily rotate the DXRacer for 360 degrees and place it anywhere you want in a matter of seconds. The DXRacer have implemented an angle of attack, which means that this desk is ergonomic, so your body shape will be compatible with your chair and you can easily notice it during your gameplay. The assembling time isn't that long, mainly because of the included instructions, which are straightforward and very easy to follow. It would take approximately around 30 minutes to fully set it up and have your peripherals attached to it, so you can get ready to enjoy a gaming marathon. To conclude, the DXRacer is surely one of the best gaming desks in the market, which offers a higher level of comfort and a large surface for keeping all of your peripherals and accessories around you. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Apex Desk Elite Series 7. The Apex Desk Elite are the series of motorized 71 inches desks that are sturdy enough for delivering stability and ease when it comes to assembling. From a design perspective, the Apex Desk Elite is available in 6 different colors, of which you can choose your favorite one from, but they are all featuring the same quality and flexibility. These desks measure 71 by 33 inches with a height that can be adjusted from 29 to 48 inches within 1.3 seconds, making it a really flexible desk that can be adjusted really quickly. The surface is extremely durable and scratch resistant due to the included MDC core that is paired with a resistant high pressure laminate, which means that you can use it for years without any issue. As I stated in the beginning, this desk is motorized, so it has dual motors with a 225 pound capacity, which are positioned on a steel frame, which makes it really stable and flexible when it comes to finding your ideal position. In addition, there is also an optimal memory controller, which can be programmed to have up to 4 preset heights for altering the height with only one click on the buttons. What I really like about this desk is the fact that it is crossbar free. This design provides more leg space, so you can even place a footrest under it and have a more comfortable and convenient gameplay. The desk is really tidy thanks to the included 2 cutouts, which are placed on the left and the right side of the desk, so you can place your setup and enjoy a wire-free surface. Before we end, I want also to mention that the assembly time is really short because this desk doesn't have any screws, so it would take approximately 30 to 40 minutes to fully assemble it. Overall, if you're looking for a motorized desk that would look like a real battle station when you place your gaming assets on it, then the Elite series are definitely worthy of considering, and I would recommend it to everyone. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the prices and more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any question related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.